not about what your cc or torque is, it's about how you ride it. It's not about your radial tires, it's about how you handle it. So hello and good morning everyone, this is Akshay and welcome back to another new video. I'm gonna take the nice road and then from there I'm going to travel to the one of the biggest monolithic rock of Asia, that is Savanadurga. So it's already too late, man. I think it's around 18 degrees centigrade this morning. Oh, I came back from Dharwad today morning and that is the main reason why I'm late now. It is Republic Day, man. Why not we have to do a Republic Day ride? Today morning I was coming back from the bus station where I was dropped and I saw a lot of bikes. I mean, Savanadurga, which is around 53 kilometers from here. Oh man, two of the clips were not recorded there. I don't know, man, why GoPro got stuck. I couldn't record those things. Well, I have entered the nice road now. From here I think it's around 53 kilometers. I missed out my normal jacket which I wear. It's fine. Anyway, it's not that much cold. The sun is up and I can still feel the cold. Maybe after 11 o'clock this will go. So yesterday night at 8:30 I left Dharwad city and today morning 5:30 it was around 6:30 when I reached Silk Board. From Silk Board to my accommodation I reached around 7 o'clock. I had my breakfast and then I left at exactly, I think when I was filling the petrol it was around 8:45. Just I checked in the petrol station, it was around 18 degrees centigrade. It was 19 degrees centigrade. When I was getting out of my accommodation it was 18 degrees. Oh, one GS310 BMW. Republic Day, Independence Day, it's a national festival for most of the people, but for riders, for bike riders, it is just another reason to get out of the home and ride somewhere. Let's switch to time lapse. Yeah. You know. I said. The road, guys. Look at the clarity of the road. It feels so much fresh. Morning sun is up. It feels so nice to ride. The sun should be up and the temperature should be low. Beautiful combination to ride in this kind of environment. Missed this from 2 weeks. So currently I'm out of nice road now. Wherever I go I see this policeman everywhere, man. I don't know what is going on again. Check post, I don't know what. Anyway, they're not catching me. I'm not worried about them unless and until they're not catching me. Anyway, if they catch me also, I don't have any problem. I have all the documents in the world I need to show them. While entering the Goa border actually, there was one scene where police catched me and checked all the documents. I mean really every single document which should be checked. If you have not watched that video, still you may get it in the I button here. Check it out. Check out that video after this video so that you will enjoy the Goa also. And the temperature is 21 degree. Yes, suddenly there's a rise in 2 degree.
I tell shorty drop it for a real one. Yeah. Go ahead and pop it, let me feel some. Do it for the boy with a bag now. Movie star money making everybody act out. I don't lie.
Welcome to Ramnagar Taluk. This is Ramnagar. But still I can see BMTC. What is that address? Ramnagar Taluk, Biddi, Hubli, Ramnagar Taluk and district. Damn. BMTC comes still Ramnagar. From here the road is good. There was some problem back there. These are Nilgiri trees. It doesn't seem like forest. Whenever I see Nilgiri, it still feels like a plantation to me. I don't know if this is a forest, but a lot of Nilgiri trees everywhere. See, most of the people don't know this. Savanadurga is one of the biggest monolithic rock in entire Asia. I mean, most of them don't know that. Man, this place seems so much isolated. I don't really know why people don't come here. See, no one. I mean, am I late or does someone know this place or don't know this place? I don't really understand. Oh man, oh. This is completely isolated. Or did I take some other road? I don't really understand now. Damn, man, this is beautiful, dude. Look at that. That is really beautiful. Oh, people go there. Yeah, there is a way to go, but I don't think that it's that easy. Let's look at this from there. It's not getting heated up here because there are a lot of stones around. I was doubting that it will get heated up, but thank God it's not getting heated up. I'm not feeling that heat till now. People are standing here, parking here. I don't know why they're parking here, but they're parking here. So there was a warning there. Drive dead slow, Animal Crossing. This is a forest, man. I was not knowing this. That means when I come in early winters, that is right after rainy season, then I will get a very good scenic beauty here. Savanadurga. There it is, dead slow. And this signboard I was talking about, speed limit. This Magadi. A lot of riders. I think they're going back now. I'm going in and most of them are going out. Yeah, I think it will get heated up now. I just hope by the time of 11:30. I don't know what is the time now. What is the time now? It's already 10:15. I think by the time of 11:15 or 11:30 I have to reach on top. While coming back, if there is heat, I can still bear it, but while climbing up, I don't think I can bear that heat. So officially entered into Savanadurga forest. Now let's go let's follow the road where road tells us to follow. Oh man, that board is really misleading. It's showing there, man, where a person in the night, if he goes straight, then it's gone. That's really misleading. People are chilling out here. It's a forest, dude. Animals can come from anywhere. People are chilling out here. Whoa, look at that. That is spectacular. Fantastic, man. Look at it. I'm gonna climb it. I'm gonna climb today. I'm gonna climb it. No matter what, I'm gonna climb that. Look at this. Fantastic place. And they have put so much of dirty here, man. Plastic everywhere. So, trek starts here. Damn, the terrain is not that easy. It's not a piece of cake. Can you see this? Please do wear shoes. Footwears don't work here. Magadurga, we had some trees and stuff like that to hold and go forward, but look at this, man. It's completely barren, man. On top of that, it's almost what, 11 o'clock or 11:30. The sun is gone overhead. One mistake what I did do. Every time I climb something, I do one mistake. Last time I didn't have food. This time I had food. Didn't carry water this time. One or the other thing I forget. Late. 45 degree. No, still more. 60. Let me climb this first. Then I'll record again. So now the real challenges start, man. Going down, coming up was not. Now it feels like going down is much more difficult than coming up. So by this is the real challenge now. By this, इससे भी एक और challenge है. More than this, there's one more difficult challenge. Where exactly this is the steepness. This is exactly like this. Personality. Well, this was the entrance While coming back, it was very exhaustive, man. I had one tender coconut and 1 liter of water. I had that much. Staying hydrated is very much necessary than staying full of stomach. I have to tell, it's very much unbearable heat now. Like the temperature has gone up to 30 degrees Celsius. And I just really wonder how people wonder watching me carrying a GoPro. And that is a curve. It's a really nimble motorcycle, man, I have to say. I tell you, you are 125cc and you reply me, yeah, what is that? Maybe. Well, I have to go to my accommodation, then eat something, then I have to rest, man. I came directly from well, this is the first time I came from my hometown directly. I took the bike and I came somewhere else. I trekked around 2 hours, and that too in that unbearable heat. Like while going it was still bearable, but while coming back it was not. It was really not bearable. I have to give rest to my body now. It's better I go, I eat something when I reach there in Electronic City, and then I sleep for 3 to 4 hours. It's better that way, or else I don't know, maybe I'll fall sick. Thank God I didn't wear my riding jacket today, nor I carried any gloves. Bought one, helmet lock to lock it to my bike itself. Thank God I bought that, or else it would have been very difficult for me to climb today. Guys, I really don't know much about this place, but I had heard only one thing, that it is a monolithic rock, with biggest monolithic rock. That is why I visited this place. If I find any of the unique information regarding this place, I'm gonna put it in the description below, so that people are also posted on that. That is why there were like so many people here. I didn't see this side, I was seeing this side. Oh, they're all playing in the water. Wow. Oh, that is the dam. I didn't observe this. Oh, I was going like this, so I didn't see back. Oh, the river, what I saw at first, that was a reservoir side. Okay, got it. Oh, the battery is very low. Finally, I am in the nice road. I'm very much near now. I think some 18 kilometers. Force is also doing some things to compete with this Mahindra Thar. Well, someone is coming forward to compete this 4x4, the unbeatable 4x4 right now.
These women, if I want them, then I tell them. Don't get fly for these women, I was born with these propellers. All my haters cannot beat me, so I call them acapellas. See, I'm only getting better, you only get jealous. You know that I run it. Everything you wanna do, I already done it.